What power strip is best for office desk cable management? Imagine a workspace where all your devices are powered without clutter or chaos. The secret to that neat setup often lies in choosing the right power strip. When it comes to office desks and cable management solutions, the best power strip combines several key features. First, look for one with enough outlets. 6 to 12 is common, so you can plug in your computer, monitor, phone charger, and other devices without crowding. Some models include built-in USB ports, which are perfect for charging phones and tablets directly, saving space on your desk. Surge protection is another vital feature. Power spikes can damage sensitive electronics, so a power strip with surge protection helps keep your equipment safe. Check for models that specify Joule ratings. Higher ratings mean better protection. A flat or low-profile design is essential, especially if you want to mount the power strip under your desk or hide it inside cable management trays. These slim designs prevent bulky cords from sticking out and make your workspace look tidy. Mounting options are also important. Many power strips have screw holes, adhesive backs, or even magnets, so you can secure them in place. This prevents accidental unplugging or the strip falling off when you move around. The cord length should match your setup. 6 to 10 feet usually works well, giving you flexibility without excess slack. Pairing the power strip with cable management accessories like trays, boxes, or sleeves makes a big difference. These trays can hold the power strip and all the cords, keeping everything out of sight and reducing clutter. Before buying, measure the dimensions of the power strip to ensure it fits inside your chosen cable management solution. Once installed, route your cables through cable portals or sleeves to avoid tangling. Use cable ties or Velcro straps to bundle cords neatly. This setup not only looks better but also minimizes tripping hazards and makes cleaning easier. In summary, the best power strip for office desk cable management is one that offers enough outlets, surge protection, a slim design for mounting, and compatibility with cable management accessories. Choosing the right model helps create a clean, organized, and efficient workspace where everything works smoothly and looks great.